Hello traders, good morning. This is Ali Abbas from Stock Monger, and today we have a very confusing day on our hands, guys. Bank Nifty open gap up. It went up, came down, covered all the rise, and then went back up again, then came down, and then went back up again. Now, when it is breaking out over here, 44,200, which is at the money, it looks quite confusing. Let me just refresh this because the index is going up and this chart is just stagnant. It's barely moving, and a move of let's say around 100 points is only seeing it drag and drag and drag. Now see, a little bump, this little bump, barely 10 points, and this falls by 10 points. So it is huge volatility right now. The market is not making any sense for me. Currently, I'm at a loss, and I am not happy about it because market has been zigzagging crazily. The options are not matching the index movement. So this is going up. This is barely moving. Look at the small movement. This is only 10, 12 points. Now a little bump like this, and boom! It just is just hunting. So I'm going to be very careful in my trades today. Theta decay is also not happening. Whatever option I buy, it is moving so erratically, it is unimaginable. So I'm going to wait now for a proper entry. I'm currently at a loss of around 5,000. So I'll just check. If I find an entry, I will again re-enter. Otherwise, I will just quit for the day. Okay traders, so I have now taken a trade, and this is the entry point at 44,240. I have bought two options at 44,200 on two accounts that I have, and I am going to take the price action on this. My target is 44,400, and if this goes gradually slowly, I'm going to book it only after it reaches the top. It may stop somewhere in between, but I'm going to wait for it to consolidate and again shoot out. My stop loss is if the index comes to 44,185. So this is my trade for now, and I'm going to observe and wait. Okay traders, time is 12:33. Market has been immensely annoying today. The premiums are just not acting up. There is spikes in every direction, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm in a 44,200 call option, and I had bought it at 244, which is my average. I averaged it down. So I bought it somewhere high over here, thinking it will break out, and then came all the way down. So I added some quantity here, and now my average is 244. It's at the money, and Bank Nifty is at 44,194 as we speak, and it's looking very dicey. Where could it go? If a candle closes below this 228 level in red, I am going to square it off. If it rises and stays above 252 for one green candle above 252, then I'm shifting stop loss to cost, and I'm forgetting about it because I am actually fed up. The way the index, the way the premiums are moving are not at all in line. So I am still waiting. My stop loss in Bank Nifty, the level I'm looking for to exit is at if a candle closes below 44,168. Now it did come, it touched, and then again it broke and then came back up. Then this rally came up. So it came back into positive and then again came down, then again into positive, then again came down. Now I don't know what is going on. So I'm just either going to take a loss or I'm going to take a profit on this. Right traders, the time is 1:10 p.m. and just look at this 44,200 call option, which I've been holding for almost 2 hours right now. Okay, it breaks down, comes back up, goes down, up, down, up, down. Look at this zigzag, look at those wicks, look at the hunting on the upside, on the downside. I mean, this is just crazy. Market is ranging, I agree, it is ranging. It came down to my stop loss level but then shot back up and it's over here. I'm waiting for BNF to break 44,240. And if that happens, then the high is the target 44,263, and if that goes, yes, we will see 44,400. I am waiting for that right now, but right now it is just hitting everybody out. The total volume on 44,200 call option right now is a whopping 6.5 crores and counting. So yeah, there is something that is cooking over here. I'll just have to wait and watch. Either I take a stop loss or I take a target. Okay guys, I just recorded a clip and now see what happened. Bank Nifty, just one little drop over here to the same level where it bounced off from. Okay, it came, hunted. My stop loss got hit over here. I put it into the system, which I normally don't do. I wait for it to break and stay below that level. So look at this. a little drop from 244.45 all the way till 210. Okay, a 30 point drop on the call, and look at the put. The put went from 88 only to 98.99, 11 points. This is the level of manipulation that is going on in the market today, and it is getting to me. So I think I'm going to close this one account and just focus on the second account for today, because this account has been hit with a very big loss today, over I think around 9 or 10,000 rupees. So it's only 1:15. I think I'll take a break now, and I'm not going to look at the market for some time. Okay, traders, time is 1:55, and what happened? See, Bank Nifty had a little episode over here, a little dip over here, and it just knocked out. I don't know how many call buyers whose stop losses were here. Okay, the next candle it came back to cost for me, where I had bought it on 244, and then zigzag up, hunting down, and then finally it goes to the first target. Thankfully, on my second account, I was in a trade at the same level at 244 and I exited at 264 exactly. I do not want to be a part of the market for the rest of the day, because it has just been incredibly manipulative and incredibly annoying. I was not having a good time today. My losses on my primary account are about 12,500, and on the other account it's fine. It's a very small profit, but thankfully I exited green on that. But the I don't know, there was just way too much volatility today. If the market decides to screw you, if the market decides to destroy you, gumify you, it will do that. So moves like this down and this up and then this down and then this sudden down and then the sudden pull back up. So this is what you can expect from the market. So I'm done for today. It's almost 2 o'clock right now. I'm going to sign off. I'm not going to try any recovery trades, nothing. I tried another trade at 44,400 where the premium was at 44,300. The premium was at 200. I'll just open the chart. Yeah, as you can see over here, I had bought it over here where the premium was 200, and my first target was 216, and then beyond that I will start trailing the stop loss. What happened? 181 is where I put the stop loss, and exactly over there. Look at this. Look at this. How did it find me? I mean, how did it find everyone sitting at 180 over here? So it's a very common thing for 10% to be the stop loss. So 20 ka 10% is 180, minus 10% is 180. So that's where it came and hit here, and then it started moving up. So again, another frustrating move, another frustrating day for me, but I will bounce back harder. I know that. So tomorrow is Fin Nifty expiry. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in.